Using the LA Colors Professional Eyeshadow Blender. Guys, I just had to take a moment and appreciate this brush. I have had it for 6 years now, even more than that, because I can't remember exactly when I've got it, but I know I've had it for nothing less than 6 years. And guys, this brush has been standing strong. Look at it, it's still standing. I didn't know LA Colors had good brushes, and the name is still fighting to stay there. LA Colors Professional Eyeshadow Blender. If I get my hands on it, I'll buy like 5 of it. Then I'm going to go back into the P. Louise eyeshadow base, and I'm just going to kind of cut my crease, but not really, because what we're doing right now is we're trying to give the eyeshadow a base to stick to, you know, to make it more vibrant. So I'm going in with my Shayla X Colourpop highlighter in the shade Pose, and I am going to use that on my eyelids using the same brush. And I'm just going to wet my brush and go into my Luzter Cosmetics pigment. This one is in the shade Sunflower. Really gorgeous, like really cute gold shimmery pigment. And I'm just going to lightly there's no lightly with this pigment. I'm just going to tap that all over the eyes. Then I am going to take my Inglot gel liner using my Colourpop E6 brush, and I'm just going to do a wing liner. I'm thinking something that goes like this way. Let's pray it goes well. I'm just taking a cream eye pencil, and I would apply that on my waterline. For mascara, I will be using the Benefit They're Real mascara for my top lashes and bottom lashes. Using my Colourpop E6 angled brush, and I'm just going to using my Colourpop E6, look at it.